Yeah, we're back live. Precious, are you ready?
Alright, let's start.
Alrighty. Back live in the market. We're going to Samal today. And Precious, you look always so happy. You look in a bit of a rush. It's your first time in this side? The market looks so nice. Whoa, look at this place. Actually, it's pretty amazing. We're gonna take the port area. And me... You know what I think? I think you like water. I think you actually enjoy water a bit. So like me, they got fried chicken over here. They got everything. Obviously a bit busy. They sell all sorts of stuff here. And shops. We're entering the deep areas now. Smash that like button for Precious. Yeah.
Normally I would just follow the people.
Hi. Mayong buntag, mayong buntag. Look, they have a little fish and shell market. It's all fresh. Wow. We will eat that. They even have snails, baby. They have everything. I guess people come here, right? People come here when they go for Salamat.
You have so many fans.
What did he say?
You're so guapo.
Beautiful. Hey, what's up? Mayang buntag, guys. Sub squad. We're going down in the side roads now.
Yeah, and actually it's my first time.
Yeah.
And I am just trying to follow all of them.
Yeah, you follow and I follow you. Hi. What's going on, guys? A little bit. Yeah, we're taking an off ferry today, which is better. And if you're excited like me, that's the best thing you can do. So look, Garfield is over here. Yeah, but we have to go to the main roads and have to buy something cool. So there's so many stores that people can come in, do stuff in. Thank you. Salamat. Nice.
So right now I'm going to meet you, Char.
Meet you, Char.
So the
Yeah.
starting at Duha.
Duha. Two.
Thank you.
Salamat.
So this is yours.
Thank you. Salamat. Morning. Nice. Look at how little this looks.
Oh, names.
Ooh, looks like they have little shops over here. That's so nice. You can write me in because I'm just waiting. Just carrying the package. Whoa. Look at this. Whoa. Looks pretty damn nice. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah, of course.
I think you had a phone call.
Phone call, yeah.
Yeah?
I just need to.
Yeah, look at this. They have little shops. Go here inside the boat?
It's in. I will
Yeah?
ask them.
Wow, I love this little port area over here. You have to ask.
Is it all the
Nice.
Yeah, I guess this one.
If you're like me, how much we pay? 20 pesos? Nice. It must not fall in the water, otherwise I'll jump. I'll jump as well. Look, they got a little boat area there. Yeah. Nice. Being off tour, not the main ferries today.
So cool.
Oh, yeah. So how you feeling today? What we gonna see, huh?
The sea, the sea.
There were so many shops. You like the sea, huh?
Yeah, for sure. Well,
You like snorkeling? You like a farm?
the bag. I need
Whoa.
to put. So.
With ice cream. cream.
Oh, you
What's
want
that? Ice cream?
Yeah, it's
Cool.
how
We
much?
have Coke float, we have
Oh, it's
sundaes,
all-
and fresh fruits with ice cream if you
Oh,
want.
me, I'm tambok. Maybe if you want.
No, I'm good.
Ah.
How about fresh fruits, ma'am, with
Oh,
ice cream?
how much?
65 pesos.
Oh, it's only 65. Yeah, we can try one.
Yeah.
$1.
$1.
Okay.
Oh wait, you have the cash. Me, I don't have the cash.
$1 and a cent.
$1 and a
I guess
cent.
may anak ata.
This one.
Yeah. Salamat. Thank you.
I think it's
I guess may 60 ata ako.
Wait,
lang,
wait,
check
wait.
ko. I guess. Can you please hold it?
I'm always holding for my dear life. Trust you with everything.
Alright. 60. Here.
Oh, you have a shop over there?
Yeah,
Thank
pretty
you.
cool.
65.
6, 5, and 5 pesos. Yeah, para
Ah,
wala na akong
I'm good for
coins.
now. I'm so. Mas mainit.
Okay.
we're perfect for hanging out in some.
Yeah.
Thank you.
If she leaves me on Samal, I have no change, so I'll be stranded. She has all the money.
Yeah, you wanna try that one?
Nice. I love fruities.
Yeah.
Let's try 65. I wanted to try it. I'll sponsor you.
65.
65 pesos sponsoring. You want? You want?
No, I don't
Nice.
know. Oh,
But
yeah.
they have like a shop there and then they sell here
Yeah,
to people.
foods and snacks.
Yeah.
And then some fruit.
I feel like in a high school trip, you know, when you're on the bus, you're like, come here, come here. See over here. It's my friend. It's like crazy there. So.
Fresh fruits with ice cream. We have fresh fruit sundaes.
They have some. Just like a jar.
Precious. Look, they have little houses over there as well.
Yeah, there's like a.
I look so tired. I love fruity breakfast. I know you were craving it. 65 peso is pretty damn good deal, to be honest. What's that? Ice cream?
Yeah, like a sundae. You wanna try?
Wow. Mmm.
Yeah, really
So
tasty.
lammy.
And then fresh fruits.
With fresh fruits? Yeah.
Yes, it's fresh.
I think it's worth it.
It's only 60 pesos. Very cheap. Barato. Cheap. It's barato.
Barato. I think, yeah. And also here where they sell like stores, it's so cool they sell stores nearby, you know, to the port. There's probably a lot of people entering and going. I think that's the main thing, yeah. Feed me.
Like fresh and then some banana. Let me check. It tastes so good. So yummy.
It's our day.
I love it. It's only 60 pesos. Imagine if you're going to order this one sa restaurant.
Yeah, it's gonna be like 200.
225.
Yeah, 225, but you're so kuripot.
I'm so good for that.
I think for 60 pesos it's okay, and we have enough cash anyway.
It's so fair.
Yeah, and they work hard anyway, so
You want me to mix everything?
if you want, it's so yummy. It's so delicious.
Yeah, it's like, you know, fresh.
Let's interview some people later. Let's harass people on the street. They're so friendly when they go to Samal. Look, there's an old boat there. All right, we're off. What do you have to say? Thank you.
No, it's not only thank you, but see you later, like after how many minutes?
No, about the ice cream.
Ay, the ice cream! So ako masultian yun na, sir. Bisaya. Yeah, it's really tasty. It's really
Yeah.
fresh.
Thank you, Salamat. I'm good for now. I already have fruit. Me, I'm good.
Oh, it's so yummy.
Look, everybody's selling on the boat. It's so fun. It's so fun. Let's invite random people to sit next to us
Yeah, you can.
and
of
do an
course.
interview.
Yeah. My friends are listening to you.
Let's see, there's a ton of people here. So many people are friendly. So nice. If you're like me, hold my say something to the camera.
No, I don't know. I look so stressed. Look at that. Yummy.
Some ice with it, some fruit. I know you were full, like you were craving it a bit. Just don't drop the camera into the water. That's the only thing you have to do. Look, someone's coming with their own bike. That's so cool. This ferry was like what? 30 cents per person, 20 pesos.
20 pesos. Very barato lang.
But why people take this ferry instead of the other one, the bigger one?
Because in the other side, it's very like traffic. Yeah, because large. There's cars. It's much hassle there. Here, it's like more on passengers now. And this
Yeah,
is
I
like
never take a ferry before.
yeah, and different port as well. If you want to go to on the other side, this is much easier. So that no need for you to take another tricycle. You know, it's lesser actually. You can.
I love fruit.
It really tastes good.
Even at the store, the food is like 70 pesos because everything is imported. It's expensive. So, it's so delicious. I would talk. This banana is so delicious. Maybe
It's
Sunday is a
fresh.
bit overkiller,
You can just
but what
like,
you really miss is like, because it's a bit hot, you gotta shake it, you know, there's ice inside. Ice cream cones.
yeah, they have some ice cream.
But ice cream. Everybody's so friendly here.
Yes, everyone. Someone's like always like doing the dancing.
A war call?
No, it's a song. It's like a drum.
Oh.
And then this kid's like gonna play this drum, and then someone gonna dance.
Why?
They are like Bajau. Bajau is a indigenous tribe here.
Oh,
Bajau, indigenous tribe. They call in English sea gypsies. They are so good in diving.
gypsies.
Yeah, Bajau.
Why do they play the drums like?
They made that drum on their own. They always do that like that for the guests, and then people gonna give them money. But it's a really nice beat, honest. Hey, hey, hey. Real music, hey.
By the sea gypsies. My only home is the sea. Yo, don't mess with me. I got a plan to go to Samar. Give him 10 pesos.
Yeah. Hey, good to
Give him 10 pesos.
They're really
Vibe.
good. Someone is dancing.
They work hard.
I'm running out of coins.
Just give them the coins we have, babe.
I don't know.
Ah, it's over. Tell them you have no more change. Tell them you have no more change. If you're like me, it's so embarrassing. Look at all the houses they have here. Wow, that's pretty interesting.
Okay. Wala na akong sinsilyo. I don't have change anymore.
Aw,
No.
that's okay. Well, sometimes in life you're stuck with unluckiness. Here's 2 pesos. Go buy yourself half of mushroom bread. This is so cruel. I didn't bring my change, that's the issue. Look at this, how many people are gathering. That's pretty nice. The boat feels a bit iffy, but we'll hold out. And you feel a bit hungry, but you didn't want to say it. But these are probably like the kids from the port, right? The port that come here. And earn extra money, right? Or are these the sea gypsies from a tribe?
Do you want to play music and then gain some coins?
So it's like sea gypsies. I know you were hungry, you just never want to say it. You were just too shy. Entering the big areas now. This ferry is actually more relaxing and more I like it more than the last one. They even got a first aid kit over there. Have anything. Hello? How's the food?
I'm so gutom, guys.
Yeah. I don't know if you can see it, but the engine's a bit like the boat's a bit leaning on the left. Maybe because of the waves anyway. Maybe that's the difference.